Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working with the Pandas module. So you have to import it. Sorry about that. Import Pandas as PD. Now it's already on your system. If it's not, you can install it using pip. So Pandas is used to analyze and manipulate data. So this program, I'm going to create a data frame with names and ages using the Pandas library. And then I'm going to display the table with the person's name and their age organized into rows. So I've created a subroutine here called data frame, and I'm going to create people here. I'm going to assign it. First of all, we're going to have name, take that down a little bit, and then we're going to, let's say, Bill, Ted, and Joe. And then we're going to do their ages. So I'm going to do like 55, 100. It's a bit of an old codger, and let's say, I don't know, 77, something random like that. Okay, so we've got Bill. Whoops, Bill spelled wrong there. Bill, Ted, Joe with their ages. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a data frame using people here. I'm going to assign it to PD dot data frame there with people. Right, and now what we're going to do is we're going to print out the data frame. So print people. Okay, all we have to do now is to call the program. So call it by data frame. Okay, let's save it. So look over it. I think everything's okay there. Why is it highlighting that for me now? Yes, I know why it's doing that. I've forgotten to put the age here. Okay, that should sort it out. Okay, so we've got the names and we've got the ages. Let's run the program. And there you go. We've got name and ages, and we've got from 0, 1, 2, the elements there, Bill 55. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button now. And I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.